Hey everybody! Today I wanted to show you how I converted this pole behind wagon into a Ghostbusters ghost trap for my son. I'm also trying to figure out how all this video editing works, so you will see me tinkering with that in the beginning. Look below in the scrub bar if you want to skip the beginning of the video and get to the building process. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think of this ghost trap.
Afraid of no ghost. Bustin' I ain't afraid of no ghost.
I'm a ghost. I don't know, where's the ghost?
What are you gonna call?
We're gonna have to make you an Ecto 1 next.
Hey, you just survived 2.5 minutes of chaos-filled, no idea what I am doing video editing. Thank you for hanging in there. For those of you who skipped ahead, I still appreciate you, and I'm glad you're here. The following clips are a collection of different stages of the building process. The thing I love about building things out of cardboard is you can find it just about anywhere for free. The only thing I had to buy the whole time I built this was the shipping tube that I used for the handle of the ghost trap. In order to power the LED light strip and the Arduino board you'll see in a future video, I hung one of these Milwaukee M18 top-off power supplies to the underside of the wagon. They work great for powering small things on the go. Here I've laid out the trap doors just to make sure that they fit before I make the cut down the center. It's starting to look like a ghost trap. And now the fun part, paper mache. I just mixed up some flour and some water, cut up some strips of newspaper, and I started covering all the joints and any place that was a little rough so that it would look a little bit smoother when it came time to paint. And here's the final result, ready for paint. I didn't have to paper mache the whole thing. I mainly focused on the joints and places where all the different pieces of cardboard connected to each other. And structurally, here's the final result. I was pretty happy with how it turned out overall. I had no plan, I was just making it up as I went. What you're looking at here is my first test of the program that I had uploaded to the Arduino board. I also put some LEDs and some resistors on a breadboard and wired it to the Arduino to see what the sequence would look like. Here is that same breadboard and Arduino board now wired to that Milwaukee power supply. This is just my initial first test to see how it would fit within the trap. And now we're looking at the final sequence all laid out, updated, uploaded to the Arduino. Has a couple different patterns that goes across it. I have all the correct colored LEDs now, and it fit perfectly within the little area that I made for it. Here, nothing fancy. I wanted to wire up a switch so that I could make a flashing red light on the trap. So in order to do this, I wired up an MM74C14N integrated circuit chip to a small little breadboard. It's powered by a 9-volt battery, and as you can see, I can flip the switch on and off and create that red flashing light effect. And that is everything it took for me to build the ghost trap. As you can see, I was able to catch that pesky Slimer. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.